Hi, I am HW. This is the fifth lecture of my Python tutorial. In this lecture, I will talk about mutable and immutable objects in Python. If you are interested in my video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel HW. Okay, let's start this lecture. In Python, there are two types of objects, mutable and immutable objects. Mutable objects, for mutable objects, you can change their state or contains of values. But for immutable objects, you can't change their values or contents or state. Int, float, bool, string, tuple. These built-in types are all immutable types. Their objects cannot be modified or changed after the object is created. But the list, set, and dict are mutable built-in types. The objects of this kind of types can be changed after the object is created. Let us see the immutable objects first. For example, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. We can check if x is same the y is the same object. They are same object. We can also print the ID to see if they are the same object. You can see they are same object. Now if I change the value of x, this statement is not change x. It is define a new variable x refer to a new object. So this define a new variable. So this is not change the previous object 2, but make x become a new variable. The new variable x now refer to the new object 3. We can print because x and y is same. We can print the y. Y refer to the older object number 2. Object 2. So y, but x refer the new object 3. We can print their ID. You can see the ID of y is still as before, but the ID of x is changed to this. The previous variable x and y refer to the same object integer number 2. But when we let x equal to 3, that is being define a new variable point refer to the new object 3. So the ID is different. That means the name of a variable can live to different object. We can change the name of variable to live to different object. As I talked in the previous lectures. For example, we can change x. Now x is a new variable referred to the string. We can make y equal to x, then y and x all refer to the same object string hello. Then I change x refer to the object 3. X refer to the string hello. Can I change its element by subscriber 0? You see and TypeError. It says string object does not support item assignment. Because string is immutable object, we cannot change its content. We cannot change its element. Let's see another example. We define a tuple. Tuple is also not immutable. We cannot change tuple. The content of we can visit its content by subscribe, but we cannot change its content. It has the same type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment, so we cannot change. But we can let the tuple to live to another object. This define a new variable t live to the object integer number 67. But we can change the element of list because list is mutable. For example, we make this t. I can change its name here. Here is a variable refer to the object, the list object. We can change its content by subscribe. Before the print error print the list, then we print the list again, but the subscriber 0 is the element is changed to this character char. So the list object is changed. We can check the ID. The ID will same because we didn't change the name L to live to another object. L live to the same object. but its element has been changed. We see another example. A is a tuple. The tuple has two elements. The first element is a list, and the second element is a string. This list is a mutable object, but the string is immutable. We can change because A is a tuple. We can change, but we can change the content of the element, because the element is a list. The element can change. We can print the tuple A has two elements. We can print the element ID to see if the element is changed. The first element, the ID of first element, and the ID of the second element. We can see the element, first element, the ID is not changed. The second ID is also not changed. So the tuple A is not changed, but the list is still the list, but the content of the list is changed to 10. We can use the visualization tool to visualize. We can use the visualization tool to see to visualize the execution. We first click the list to see to execute the first statement. We can see A is a tuple. A is a name. The name refers to a tuple. The tuple has two elements. The first element is also referred to a list, but the second element is a string. Because the string is an immutable object, so the second element is here. The first element is a list object, so this is not the list itself, but the reference, to the list. So when we click execute A0 is this, and A00 is this, so we changed this, but the tuple is not changed. Okay, the tuple is not changed, but the first element referred to the list, the content of the list is changed. I forgot to talk about set. Set is also a built-in connection. The connection is unordered and unindexed connection, so we cannot use the index to visit the element. You can visit the element by its key. Set is a collection of keys. Set are written with curly brackets. We can define a set object with curly brackets. The first element is a string. The second element is also a string. The third element is a float. So the set has 3 elements. We can use the add method of the set type. We add an integer, then we print the s. You can see these elements are all these are all the elements of the set. Because the set is unordered, so the order the elements stored in the set, the order is not as you defined. We can use add to add element to the set. We can use remove to remove an element. Remove. Then this element is removed from the set. From this, we can see set is also mutable because we can add element, we can remove element. We can also see in the visualizer environment. Set leave to this, add to, remove. Okay, this is a lecture of mutable and immutable object. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel HWDUNG.